Hello everyone, it's Eric here with a quick video highlighting my journey with Wealthy Affiliate, the types of results I've been able to bring in. I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing. I'm going to show you why Wealthy Affiliate, in my opinion, is hands down the best online training and mentorship community you'll find. And then I'm going to give you a quick overview on exactly what this training platform brings you, okay? I'm just going to do a quick overview. I'm not going to go into super detail on all these aspects of it. But what I will do in this, if you're watching this video on YouTube, within the YouTube video description, I'll put a link. The best thing about Wealthy Affiliate is you can create your own free starter account. A free starter account doesn't even ask you for payment information, absolutely free. And within that free starter account, you can go in and take a look for yourself at all the details of everything this training platform is all about on your own, at your own pace. And if you do want a review, I can also link in that YouTube video description an article that I wrote that actually does go into heavy detail on every single aspect of everything that's available to you within this awesome training platform and awesome training community. And then from there, you can go ahead and create your free starter account and see for yourself. What I'm going to do here, give you a little bit of background on myself. This is me right here. I've had a lot of success with Wealthy Affiliate. This particular blog post that I wrote here, I just wrote this yesterday. Wealthy Affiliate reviews are in, steps to success, and my road to $1,000 per month in passive income. I jumped in with Wealthy Affiliate in January. Today is October the 4th. It's 10 months in, and I'm very happy to say here's a screenshot of a PayPal email. Hello, Eric Cantu. Wealthy Affiliate has sent you $868. These are my commissions for September. This particular website, as you can see here, here's that $868. It actually triggered $868 for September and $689 for October. You can see this is over $1,500 on a single website that I have here at Wealthy Affiliate running completely in the background, over $1,500. And what I love about this, even if I turned everything off right now, for October, I still have almost $700 coming in for this paycheck for October. Absolute passive income. Now you might be asking, okay, did this come overnight? Absolutely not. What I want to cover, just a little bit of the points. I think it's important to understand and have realistic expectations of a training platform. I want to tell you right out of the gate, business, whether it's a brick and mortar structure or whether it's online business, it takes hard work, guys. It takes drive, determination, focus, patience with your success, and stick-to-itiveness. Did this come overnight? Of course not. I'm going to read this real quick. I jumped in with Wealthy Affiliate the first week of January 2017. My first commission came 6 weeks later. I remember this specifically. I was so excited. I kept saying, this works. This actually works. I remember Kyle, who's one of the co-founders of Wealthy Affiliate, reached out to me and said, if you can get one commission, you can get 100. And if you can get 100, you can get 1,000. It's just a matter of sticking with it. Now, as I point out here, my next commission didn't come for another month and a half. Now, was I doing something wrong? Did it discourage me? Of course not. Okay, building traffic takes time. Google, which is the main search engine, has the big lion's share of all the traffic online. It doesn't just reward people, just come up and overnight sit there and say you're going to get ranked on top. It wants to see that people are sticking around for a while, but this is okay because you know what? When you're building the foundation of your website, you're going to be taking your time doing this right. There's a quote I really love: the best investment you can make is in yourself. And I want to show you an analogy right here that I point out. When you're building a rent house, do you expect to be able to rent it out for profit when only the foundation has been poured? Of course not. Do you stop working on that foundation and get upset questioning why money isn't coming in? No, you don't. You continue to build. You fully understand that the foundation is the most important part of the house, and by taking your time and not abandoning your project, you'll profit from this for years to come. Your online business here at Wealthy Affiliate is no different. Starting here with these tabs we have on the left, the activity dashboard, this is kind of your home base. This is where everything's going on. You can see a special welcome to our new premium members. These are constantly updating. Every time you refresh this page is another group. There's actually over 1 million members with Wealthy Affiliate. They're active in every single country on Earth except for Antarctica. Okay, we haven't gotten to those ice scientists yet. And of course, here you have your live chat where people are helping each other. When they have a question, this is a great place. You type in your question here, people start answering here. Thank you, I saw that, but isn't it easier to follow a template? They're asking questions, getting some clarification. Here's an aspect that I really love. Right here, you see people who have put in some, they've created little forums and asked questions. You can sit here and put, okay, I want to look at all the unanswered from everyone. I want to see the popular ones. What I love is clicking on success and clicking on referrals. Here's something, a referral. You say, what's a referral? Well, just like you're right now watching this video, you're looking to see, is Wealthy Affiliate for me? You decide, you know what, I'm going to jump in, I'm going to take Eric up on what he says with his free starter account. You jump in, you love what you see, day two, you say, I'm going premium. Well, when you go in and you're going through my link and you're taking advantage of the bonus that I have where you get it for so cheap, well, you become one of my referrals. You have me in your corner. I'm here to help answer any questions you have along with the rest of the community. So you're not doing this by yourself. You actually have someone who has some experience doing this. Now you can see here, when I go to success and referrals, here now are filtered all the different success posts from people who I've actually introduced to Wealthy Affiliate. And as you can see in these 10 months, I've had a lot of success bringing quality people who are just like you, looking for how they're going to create a successful business. And what I love is going through these success posts, going premium. So far with WA, this is like a progress report. 2 weeks at Wealthy Affiliate and the future ahead. Upgraded my journey. Got indexed by Google after 10 days at Wealthy Affiliate. Feeling appreciated. I love these. It's no miracle. My first sale. I love these. Just went yearly on premium. Finished course 2. 3 orders this month. Perfect day. Feeling happy. My progress at week 1. Just set up my first WA site. Personal power. Learning tons and I'm excited. First website. On and running. Starting success. Diving in. These are people who are just like you, who have jumped in and are loving it. These are real people, and there's nothing more satisfying than seeing these people and being able to watch their success every step of the way. Now, what are they so excited about? Let's dive in. Here is where the bulk of your training is going to start when you jump in. When you start with your free starter course, you'll have full access to this entire level 1 of the certification course. And this is an introductory, has several course lessons here: getting rolling, understanding how to make money online, choosing a profitable niche, building your own niche website, setting up your own website. Even if you've never done this before, this is all set up for the absolute newbie, someone who has zero experience, okay? They walk you through everything, all the way through creating content, creating your first keyword-rich post. They introduce you to tools here, a keyword tool here that is absolutely free, comes with your membership, to where you're going to sit here and say, okay, if I want to write a topic about making money online, this is something that really opened my eyes. I didn't know that there could be research done into the title and the words you use, so that Google will have those people, your target audience, they'll be able to find your posts quicker. Here it'll show you the average number of searches and traffic you're going to get. It'll show you how many people are, how much competition there is for this particular keyword. Everything here is given to you, and Kyle walks you through this with video tutorials in every single course lesson. You can see here is an introduction where you start learning who these people are, what you're going to be doing here, choosing an interest, building a website, attracting visitors, earning revenue. You have a video tutorial with every single course lesson. It's the best way to learn, and it's the easiest way to learn, and you are guided every step of the way. Course benefits and learning outcomes. You're going to be learning how to immediately get immersed, building your very own niche website, how to create quality website content. And that's just course 1. You move on to more and more core elements: building your own traffic producing website, making money, mastering social engagement, achieving maximum success through content creation. You learn every last bit of what it takes to create a solid and successful website. Here's live chat where we have people that are helping each other out, members helping members, as we showed you before. The Site Rubrics tab covers your site manager, where you can find all your websites, your site builder, where you're going to be building a website when you first start off, site domains, where you can choose from free site domains or paid ones. site, and let's cover this really quick on site domains. The great part about this is a very all-inclusive platform, but the only thing that you'd have to pay extra for would be if you decide to register a new domain. The great thing is, let's check if Eric Cantu Rules is available. EricCantuRules.com. Let's say I want to purchase that. That's available for $13.99. And you say $13.99. Check this out. It's $13.99 per year. Okay, that's only $1 a month. These are very affordable. This includes unlimited hosting, security, everything, domain email, support, all inclusive. You cannot beat what this wealthy affiliate platform brings to you. Okay, so you can choose your domains. Site content here is a great writing platform to where you can set your own goals and learn exactly how to write quality search engine optimized content. Site comments is a great place where you can get comments when you finish your article and you want eyes on it. The members here can help you out, help get that started by commenting on other people's posts and then getting some of your own. Site feedback, when you want eyes on your website as you built it, you say, hey, I need people to take a look. Am I doing this right? That's where you get that. And then site support, full site support 24/7. These guys are great at what they do. All these things, of course, included with your premium membership. You don't have to pay for any of these a la carte, module by module. All this is included. Here's the affiliate bootcamp, which is, we talked about what you're starting off with your certification courses. This is where you get into even more and more advanced learning. Getting your business rolling, content, keywords, conversions, giving your site social value, get visual, get aesthetic, and brand through media, knowing your audience and catapulting your referrals, being Yahoo and the power of pay-per-click, how to scale successful pay-per-click campaigns. And that's not even everything. You have classrooms here with all these different forms on all a wide range of subjects. And one of the absolute best things, weekly live training. There's live webinars. You can see this next one coming up on the 6th, where live they're going to be going over. You can say, hey, I want people to take a look at my website, see what it, give me a rundown, kind of put it in the hot seat, critique it. You have previous webinars that if you missed, you can see them for yourself. Here's one on hosting your own webinar. All these different, these are hour-long webinars hosted by a great trainer. His name's Jay Neal, writing awesome, lengthy, authoritative content, finding content opportunities from related keywords, giving old content, new SEO life. Everything here is everything you could possibly ask for in a training platform. And I'm very happy to say that because of this training platform and because of this awesome community, I've been able to have a good amount of success, and I'd be more than happy to help you find the same amount of success.